Good morning. I greet you all. I'm going to make this remedy. I'm going to make it with sour orange. This is sour orange, coffee, baking soda. I'm cutting the sour orange. I'm squeezing it. I put the juice in here. This is the teaspoon of baking soda. I put it in there. I'm going to take a cup of coffee. I put it in there. I stir it. I'm stirring it right now, and I'm going to be drinking it. This is supposed to be good to clean your body. It's going to help you. He helped me with my lymph node because I have a lymph node here. They were swollen. Now they're no longer swollen. They're not swollen anymore. That's why I'm drinking it. And it cleaned my stomach. And I burp. It make me burp to get rid of gas in my stomach. And then also it make you pass gas and make you go in the bathroom easily. So I'm making it this way. If you want to try it, you can try it, and to help your body. And now I'm going to be drinking it. As you can see, I drink it all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would please try it and let me know after you try it what it does for your body. If you like this video, please share it, comment, and subscribe. This way when I upload another video, you will receive it, because I'm always trying something to do for my body. And then every time I get something new, I read something new, I watch a video, I always like to make a video for people to see I'm doing it, so they don't have to be scared thinking if they do it, something's going to go wrong with their body. That's why I'm doing it. Please share this video, comment, and let me know after you did this, how will you feel, what the effects it does for you. Thank you, bye bye, and have a good day.